Mothers in the house, if your baby has catarrh, cold, or cough, please don't lay your baby to sleep like this, face up. If you lay like this, your baby will not breathe freely. The mucus might choke the baby. Your baby will not sleep for a long time. If your baby has catarrh or cough, lay your baby by the side like this. When you lay the baby like this one, I use a pillow to wedge the baby so that your baby will not fall sideways and lay face up. Use it to hold the baby in the side position. By so doing, the mucus will not choke the baby. Your baby will breathe freely. The mucus will not block the airways of the baby, and your baby will sleep for a long time, a very long time.